In this video, we are going to go over similarity and how that's related to proportions. We went over proportions in Pre-Algebra, Chapter 7, Lesson 2. But let's do a quick review here. So for numbers a, b, c, and d, where both b and d are not equal to 0, because you can never have 0 in a denominator, a divided by b is equal to c divided by b. And that's if and only if a times d equals b times c. And if you remember, that's because of cross multiplication. And cross multiplication is simply getting b and d out of the denominators, multiplying both sides by d, cancels out this d, and gives you a d with the a, multiplying both sides by b, cancels out this b, and gives you a b with the c. AD equals BC. And that's a proportion. Now let's talk about similar polygons, and then we'll relate those to proportions. So similar polygons are polygons of the same shape, but different in size. In other words, it's polygons whose corresponding angles are congruent and the corresponding sides are proportional. The symbol for similar is like the symbol for congruent, except it's only 1. Let's go over an example of a similar polygon. Here I have two triangles, ABC and XYZ. AC is 12 units long, AB 3 units, BC 6 units, XZ 4 units, XY 1 unit, YZ 2 units. These two polygons, or these two triangles, are similar polygons. Angle A is congruent to angle X, angle B is congruent to angle Y, angle C is congruent to angle Z, and the corresponding sides are proportional. If the sides are proportional, then AB over XY is going to be equal to BC over YZ, which is going to be equal to AC over XZ, because those are the proportions. So let's double check to see if they're proportional. AB over XY is 3 over 1. BC over YZ is 6 over 2. And AC over XZ is 12 over 4. 3 over 1 is 3. 6 over 2 is 3. 12 over 4 is also 3, and we can see that this proportion holds true. So since the angles are congruent and the sides are proportional, ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. The next thing we're going to go over is the scale factor. The scale factor is the numerical ratio of the corresponding sides. So triangle ABC to triangle XYZ, the scale factor was equal to 3. If we go the other way, from triangle XYZ to triangle ABC, then the scale factor is going to be 1 over 3, or 1/3. Because instead of doing AB over XY, we would do xy over AB. So all these fractions would be flipped. And that would give us 1 over 3 equal to 2 over 6 equal to 4 over 12. And all those are equivalent to 1/3. So the scale factor going from XYZ to ABC is 1/3. Think of similar polygons as a shrunken or enlarged version of the same shape. Triangle XYZ is 1/3 of the size of ABC, and ABC is 3 times bigger than XYZ. And that is how proportions relates to similar polygons.